Question: what are the highest and lowest temperatures recorded on Earth? 300 million degrees is the temperature at the epicenter of a thermonuclear explosion. 260 million degrees is achieved in controlled nuclear fusion under laboratory conditions. From 15 to 16 million degrees is the core of the Sun. At these temperatures, atomic nuclei merge, releasing tremendous energy. A small portion of this energy reaches our planet in the form of sunlight, making life possible on Earth. 50,000 degrees is the epicenter of a hydrogen bomb explosion. In it, atomic nuclei split. Such a bomb has enormous explosive power of 100 megatons, 100 million tons, of trinitrotoluene equivalent. Hydrogen bomb explosions have never been conducted anywhere. 20,000 degrees was the temperature of the atomic bomb explosion. In 1945, Americans dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Both cities were destroyed. Hundreds of thousands of people died as a result. And even today, people die from diseases caused by radioactive radiation from these bomb explosions. 5,000 degrees is the center of the Earth. The Earth's core extends for several thousand kilometers. Radioactive processes also occur in it, heating our Earth from the center to the surface. 5,000 degrees is the temperature of a high-pressure discharge lamp. Such a lamp can be seen in large stadiums. 2,300 degrees is the temperature of a filament in an incandescent lamp. Electric current heats the filament, which does not burn out because there is no oxygen in the lamp. 1,600 degrees is the temperature of a blast furnace. To reach this temperature, air is blown into a hot mass of coke, iron ore, and limestone from below. 1,400 degrees is the temperature of burning coal under normal conditions. 800 degrees is the temperature of burning wood. 150 degrees is the surface temperature of the moon in sunlight, dayside. 100 degrees is the boiling point of water at sea level. 70 degrees is the boiling point of water at an altitude of approximately 9,000 meters above sea level. For example, the summit of Mount Everest is the highest air temperature recorded in the hottest places on Earth, Libya. 50 degrees is the temperature of the Earth at a depth of 1,000 meters. 43 degrees is the maximum increase in temperature a person can withstand during illness. 37 degrees is the normal temperature of the human body. 3.7 degrees is the average temperature of the deep sea. 0 degrees is the melting point of ice and the freezing point of water. Minus 2.5 degrees is the freezing point of seawater. Minus 65 degrees is the temperature of the air at an altitude of 20 kilometers. Minus 88.3 degrees is the lowest temperature in the coldest place on Earth, Vostok Station, Antarctica. Minus 130 degrees is the temperature of the moon on the night side, where sunlight does not reach. Minus 273.16 degrees is the lowest temperature achieved artificially. Scientists from Bayreuth cooled copper to this temperature.